This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy S24 5G. The Samsung Galaxy S24 5G is the latest high-end smartphone offering from Samsung. It delivers powerful performance, excellent cameras and sleek design. It is perfect for users who want the premium phone for work, entertainment and photography. If you want to buy this smartphone, please check the link in this video description. Now we will see key product features of this smartphone. This smartphone has a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, a 6.2-inch display with rich colors and sharp details. 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. This smartphone has 50 MP main camera, takes stunning photos even in low light. 12 MP ultra-wide camera for capturing wide scenes. 10 MP telephoto camera, ideal for zoomed in shots. 12 MP selfie camera, perfect for selfies and video calls. This smartphone has powerful performance. This smartphone runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it fast for multitasking and gaming. This smartphone has 5G connectivity, ultra-fast internet for downloads, streaming and browsing. This smartphone has 4000 mAh battery that lasts through the day, and it supports 25 watts fast charging, 15 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This smartphone has premium design made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame for durability. This smartphone has IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. This smartphone powered by Android 14 with Samsung's customizable One UI. When you unbox, you will see Samsung Galaxy S24 5G smartphone, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, SIM ejector tool and quick start guide. And in the package, no charger adapter is included. You have to buy separately. Now we will see technical specifications. Display is 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x and 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. RAM and storage 8 GB RAM with 128 GB or 256 GB options. Battery is 4000 mAh with 25 watts fast charging. Cameras: rear 50 MP main camera, 12 MP ultra wide camera, 10 MP telephoto camera. Front 12 MP selfie camera. Operating system is Android 14 with One UI. Connectivity: it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and USB-C. Advantages of Samsung Galaxy S24 5G. First point is compact size, easy to hold and use with one hand. Second point is vibrant display, great for videos, gaming and daily use. Third point is excellent cameras, captures high quality photos and videos. Fourth point is durable build, premium materials and water resistance. Fifth point is 5G ready, fast internet speeds for future-proof connectivity. Potential drawbacks. First point is smaller battery. 4000 mAh battery may not last as long for heavy users. Second point is no charger in the box. Requires a separate purchase of an adapter. Third point is limited storage. No micro SD card support for additional storage. Pricing information. In US dollar, this smartphone is $799.99. In Indian price, this smartphone is 69,999 rupees. Now we will see customer feedback. First point is display. Loud for its vibrant and smooth performance. Next point is performance. Handles heavy apps and multitasking effortlessly. Next point is camera. Delivers high quality photos even in low light. Next point is design. Appreciated for its compact size and premium feel. Now we will see the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S24 5G is a compact, powerful flagship phone, and it is ideal for users who prioritize display quality, camera performance, and a stylish design. While its smaller battery and lack of charger might disappoint some people, but its performance and future make it great choice for those wanting a high-end experience at a slightly more affordable price than other flagship models.